Everyone wants sex, but no one's talking dirty. Dig deep into the sexual psyches of thousands of men and women around the country, as we did, and this little irony stands out. Let's know the tricks to drive her crazy in bed. 1. Turn her on instantly. Women want sex just as much as men do, but women often feel shy about making the first move. How to bring her out of her sexual shell. Coax her, tempt her, tease her as if she were a cat chasing a feather on a string. Advise our experts. Give her a deep, sigh-inducing kiss, then stop. Or pull her close, press tight against her thigh, then move away. 2. Graze her thigh. As you flirt, stand or sit within 6 inches of her. If she seems unruffled, move closer. Eventually you want your thigh to be pressed against hers, whether you're standing or sitting. If she's into it, move on to next step. 3. Plant 1. Already, a makeout session is a prerequisite to a sexual proposition. Pay attention to how intensely she's kissing back. You want the "I want to eat you alive," starting with your head kind of kiss, not the sweet little "I'm not really a dirty girl" kind of kiss. 4. Follow her lead. Foreplay can be a fact-finding mission, not just a necessary evil. Syncing the way you communicate in bed verbally and non-verbally will rev her engines more quickly. During foreplay, agree that the genitals are off limits. Touch the other parts of her body using fingers, a feather, a silk scarf, or anything that turns her on, and ask her to describe how it feels. 5. For morning sex, wake up earlier. A woman won't want sex if she feels hurried. Her clitoris won't respond to even the most skilled touch if she's worried about being late for work. And besides, she needs about 20 minutes to reach orgasm anyway. Set the alarm early. 6. Whisper her, don't poke. Women need oral stimulation to help kill self-consciousness about eye budges and bedhead. So pull her close and say, "You're so beautiful in the morning," or "I love waking up with you." If you're spooning, thaw her out with some sensual kisses to the back of her neck. 7. Never be too rough. Being too rough is the worst mistake men make during oral sex. Guys think they need to thrust and flick, but often what she wants is a firm, still tongue, a point of pressure so she can set the rhythm and pace. 8. Focus on quality, not quantity. Improve the quality of foreplay, and she'll never again bug you about the quantity. If you act as if you're just going through the motions to get to the sex, she's going to notice, and it will take longer for her to get excited. 9. Take it easy at first. Yes, the clitoris is the obvious place to focus your attention. Still, many men do wrong by it. Direct stimulation of the clitoris can actually be painful. It's much better to rub the clitoral hood or to rub along the side of the clitoris than it is to go straight for the head of it. 10. Explore her entire body. Don't just zero in on her genitals. The body is filled with erogenous zones like her neck, thighs, and breasts. Genitals are fascinating and fun, but try to spend some time focusing on your partner's entire body instead of going straight for her crotch. Try caressing, licking, or nibbling other erogenous zones, such as her neck, back, ears. 11. Don't talk too much. Be careful what you say when you're trying to set the mood and build arousal. Weird cliched phrases can cause the mood to die quickly. As a general rule, keep dirty talk simple and personal. Pick a body part and tell her how sexy you think it is, or describe a fantasy you have involving her. 12. Pay attention to how she feels. Everybody is different, so make sure you're able to read how she responds to what you're doing. It shouldn't be hard to tell what's working, and to then use this information to keep a good thing going. 13. Reward her bravery. When she initiates the action, make an extra effort to please her sexually, and to let her know how much you approve. Tell her you loved how she got things going. Sometimes women wonder if you're going to perceive initiation as negative, or if it might make you uncomfortable. 14. Know when to skip it. If you already have good sexual chemistry, it's perfectly alright to occasionally skip foreplay. When you've been creating a larger sexual context in your relationship, you're basically operating in that all the time. If you've been together for a while, you should know her well enough to know when it's okay to jump straight to the main event. 15. Fulfill her every fantasy. Role-playing means more than squeezing her into that old cheerleader outfit. A woman's sexual thoughts are kinky and creative. Becoming someone else can unlock those desires is the main work of man on the bed. We, as men, typically find it hard to seek out coaching to become better in bed. Our egos get in the way, and we like to think that we know it all, even if our sex lives could use a lot of improvement. From a woman's perspective, this doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Well, that's all for today. We thank you for watching. Please check the description for recommended offers. If you liked the video, please hit like button, share your feedback in comment, and subscribe our channel for more videos every week. Also, don't forget to press on bell icon to get notified about our new videos. Please download our app and connect with us on FB and Instagram also.